Holcomb held his weekly COVID-19 press conference today. That's where state health officials detailed the major impact the statewide snowstorm had on vaccination efforts.
News 10's Dominic Miranda listened in on that press conference. He joins us now live in our newsroom with more information on what Indiana plans to do moving forward.
Because of that snowstorm that went through the entire state of Indiana, over 43,000 vaccine appointments had to be rescheduled, and Moderna vaccine deliveries to the state of Indiana have not yet arrived. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Lindsay Weaver says because of these weather-related issues, the state is keeping vaccine eligibility to Hoosiers 65 and older for this week. The good news is that more than 60% of eligible populations in Indiana have been vaccinated or have scheduled appointments. Dr. Weaver says once vaccine deliveries get back on schedule, Indiana plans to open up eligibility to Hoosiers ages 60 to 65. She says the state will pay close attention to see how weather will impact vaccine shipments. Hopefully, the state says they will be able to expand as soon as next week. Dr. Weaver says the state will continue to use an age-focused approach and will move eligibility to Hoosiers 50 and older as soon as vaccine supplies allow Indiana to do so.
Vaccine will continue to remain a precious resource for some time, but we are confident that our approach will protect those who are most vulnerable and put Indiana in a strong position to emerge from this pandemic.
Some more good news. Despite the weather, Dr. Weaver says vaccine waste has been incredibly minimal. In fact, just 1/100% of the 1.3 million doses of vaccine the state has received have expired or gone to waste. Reporting live in the News 10 newsroom, I'm Dominic Miranda, News 10.